Hi guys, welcome back. It's Leslie. Thank you for watching. Today for you, I have an unboxing of my first New York and Company closet box. Here is a screenshot of the box. Yay! I am so excited that I got this. I started a trial, so we'll be running this. This is just kind of like a trial run kind of a thing. I didn't pay the full price for the month. I paid a discounted price so that I could try it out. It did take about 6 days for my first box to get here. I think it did take almost a week from the time that I started the trial to when the box actually came. So that is a lot. If that's a I mean, it's a little bit longer than the 3 to 4 days, 5 days that I expected, but it's here now. It's actually been sitting in my house for about 2 more days until I got to film this, to unbox it, to wear it, try on for you guys. Time is running out. I need to actually wear this stuff and then send it back. But let's go ahead and open it and check out what I got. Okay, so here's the box. I finally undid the tape. I actually had to go get scissors and all kinds of stuff. But opening it up, I'm dropping stuff here. It says NY&C Closet. Welcome to NY&C Closet, exclusively at New York and Company. Now, I would like to say I have not shopped at New York and Company in a long time, but when I was in my 20s, that's my cat right there. That was my store. That was my jam, okay? The prices, the styles, I mean, I was just having all kinds of flashbacks because the stuff is so cute. The stuff is so cute in the New York and NY&C Closet website, where you get to put things into your closet. So what you do, you put things in your closet. You have to put a certain amount of things in your little closet in your size, and then they will choose 3 per box to send to you. So they choose what you get. You just choose the things you want them to choose from, and then they will decide what is in your box. They do let you know. They send you an email when it ships. So they do let you know in the email, these are the 3 things we're sending you. But beyond that, you don't have a choice. You get what you get in your box, but you get to see. So it says change your look every day, build your closet, create your lineup. It's just talking about all the points with and I was like, I am so in love with NY&C. I forgot I haven't been there in so long. I need to go back. But anyway, here's the bag to send everything back. Here's the little bundle. So I did get 3 items. I got a dress, a cardigan sweater, and a pair of jeans. So we are going to open them up. There's nothing in here that says what I got. And I don't have my computer next to me right now to tell you. But anyway, here's number 1, dress. It's a mustard color. It has puff sleeves. And it's a sheath kind of dress. And so we're going to try that on. I'm actually going to wear this right now because this is the morning before I go to work. So I'm going to hop and put this on and then show you. But it's thick material. It's got a satin inside lining. So that's cool. I didn't expect it to be, well, it's got the lining on the sleeves, it looks like. Just the sleeves, just the puff sleeve part. The other part is not lined. But it is thick. It's good for the weather. It's, it's 2 days before Thanksgiving, so the weather's kind of on the cool side. That's that dress. I really like that dress, actually. Okay, here is the cardigan. It is a sweater. That is the color and material. It's got a hood. So it's gonna probably hit me. Oh, it's gonna hit me to like my knee because it's pretty long. So it's like a duster cardigan. Nice. Oh, I like that. And then I'm probably gonna wear it with these jeans because the jeans have this belted portion. So they're gonna be high-waisted. They're gonna be all the way up here. They're gonna have the belt, and then they're going to be They have this detail here at the bottom, and they're gonna be kind of baggy, loose fit. But I will try all of this stuff on for you momentarily. So that was what was in my first box. Go ahead, before I try these on, if you would like to try New York & Company Closet for yourself, go ahead and find that code below, right down in the box below. You will get $10 off of your first month. You can try it for that first month and see if you like it, $10 off of the price. So go ahead and find that. I'm going to put on the dress and we're going to rock it in 1 minute. See you in a second. All right, so here is the dress. This is the dress. It is a size medium. It's form-fitting. I do feel like I'm going to have to put on some kind of shape or something. But the puff sleeves offset the shape and give you kind of a smooth look, smoother than normal look. This is really cute. It does, you guys can't even see. It hits me above my knee. So I'm going to wear a nice pair of pumps with it. And all I did was put on my earrings and my bracelet. I don't think I'm going to put on a necklace. Maybe I'll put on like a really light, delicate necklace, nothing big, because I'll just let the earrings be the statement piece. And good to go. Good to go. So this is a lovely piece right here. I am so in love with this right now. Good enough to wear for one day. I would buy this maybe, but this is good to wear and send back. That's why I love the clothing rentals. So anyway, tomorrow is jeans day at work, so I will be wearing that other outfit and we will see what that looks like. See you in a minute. Okay, so first of all, before I show you this outfit, I'd like to tell you I got so many compliments yesterday on that dress. I got so many compliments. Even my fiance, when I texted him a picture of me in it, was like, that is the best dress I've ever seen you in. I am so proud that you are my woman. That's what he said to me. Y'all, New York & Company box ain't fooling. Get yourself one, okay? Now, on to this outfit. The high-waisted pants look like a paper bag. All right, so I am 5'4", and I just was like, I sat and thought to myself, why did I do this to myself? I am so short for this. They are not going to look right on me. Plus, I was around when this was in the first time, like in the 80s and 90s, and I cringe looking at photos going back then about how this. So why did I do this to myself, y'all? They look like crap, is what I think. I just don't like the figure that it's cutting. Look, that's the butt. And this is the front. Now, it's because it's pleated. Like, it's the pleating. Like, it looks like, you know, and I knew that because I remember the way they fit back in the day, and you know, I know it's back, but I'm not quite sure why it's back. Because it's so ugly to me. I didn't think it was ugly then, but I do think it's ugly now. And looking back, I'm like, why was I wearing it? So this is the leg. I mean, I guess it's just that to make the whole pant work on me, I have to literally have it under my boobs, which is dumb. Like, it's not supposed to be that high. And these are size mediums, so I probably could even try a small, although I don't know how it would fit in the thigh. But yeah, no, I'm taking these pants off. I'm gonna wear the duster, like the cardigan. The cardigan is fine for today. There's the hood. You know, it's just your simple sweater. It's got pockets. It's long. But these pants are going to, they're not going to be worn because when I look in the mirror, they look horrible. For some reason on camera, they don't look as bad. But when I was looking at myself in the mirror, I was like, oh, No. There's all kinds of no going on right now. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to take them off. It was a good try. I tried, y'all. I tried. I would have worn these maybe 25 years ago. Maybe. But anyway. So go ahead and find the link below to get $10 off your first month of New York & Company Closet. And I'm going to say this is a win. I every time I get into the website to put stuff into my closet, I'm like, oh, it's Christmas. I love it. I hope I get this. I hope I get this. I hope I get this. So I'm excited about it. I think it's fun and professional and stylish and trendy and cosmopolitan and everything. So go ahead and get yourself a box. Find that link below. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.